Everybody, Mr. Steve back, and I'm reworking all of my add-ons, my Patreon, my YouTube channel, everything to streamline and simplify the process so I can get you guys really good add-ons as beginners, intermediate, and professionals. I now have a collaboration partner who is a professional in the industry, whereas I come as a layperson, if you will, from learning Blender and teaching Blender to myself and just going through tutorials and learning and getting to the point where I can make add-ons now that, maybe I should point this way so you can see it, that actually do this. I can create simulation add-ons that add materials and gradients and cool things with animations. So now you can have a more powerful workflow in Blender. So having a plan in place in December would have been a better idea, but the next best time to do that is right now. And if you jump on not only the YouTube channel, but onto my Patreon, I only have 2 posts now. One is for free members, so you can get some add-ons and get some general ideas. The other one is a pay for play, if you will, so you do get a ton of add-ons, but that's not the big deal. The big deal, because you can get add-ons anywhere, is that if you have a certain or specific workflow issue, you can request a feature to be added to an existing add-on or an actual add-on to be created. It more than likely can be done between the two of us. That would be myself and Sam, who is not just a Blender enthusiast, but a professional in the industry. So now we have partnered up and we run our Blender market page for add-ons, and then we will have different things like the Discord chat where you can jump in and request add-ons and or features to be added. Things that you see you don't want to do 20 steps, we got you. We can do that. We can take that and create automation and special operators. Things like render switch, which works quietly in the background, switches the viewport to a solid color while you're rendering, thus dumping out all that excess memory and preventing crashes when you're trying to prototype things. So this is a big deal. This is going to be a long tutorial, but I think it's going to be worth it. You jump in, you're going to learn the Cracks add-on. You're going to get the option to join in on the Patreon. There'll be links, and it's pretty much up to you. If you want to step up your game, then I highly recommend you jump on in. There's going to be a second video linked to this one, so you can jump in. I don't want the intro to cloud up the main video, so this is more of an encouragement video. If you're a beginner, stick with it. I'll set you up, get you in the Discord, get you, hey, what are you looking for? You know, give you some direction, and then suggest an add-on or two. Plus, you can learn the vanilla Blender workflow. I've got a beginner's tutorial. It's like 12 hours. It's absolutely free. You can jump in and get that. It will teach you the Blender interface. It is an old 3.3 tutorial, but it's still going to show you everything that's going on in the interface, which is the big problem for people navigating and figuring out how to use Blender. Thanks guys for watching. Go ahead and click that next video, and I'll see you guys over there in the tutorial. And then we're going to make this deal right here with a nice animated gradient. And I'm really excited for y'all for 2025. Let's stick it out. Don't give up.